Hi, good morning. Today I'm gonna make coffee with my Vostok, ACS Vostok, dual boiler. I will use Remida grinder. First of all, let me weigh this. I'm using Weighmaster scale. Look at that, beautiful. I want to grind. Actually, I'm aiming for 23 grams. We have some more. Alright, perfect. 23 grams. Right. Gonna do a bit of WDT. Shout out to my friend E1 who gave me this wine cork with needles. This is 54 millimeter. Really a deep basket. Alright, flush this. Cool. I just installed this flash lever so you can flash. You know, in the competition you need to flash. I'm gonna turn on my other module, Weighmaster. Still using the same scale. Right. I'll do a normal. There you go. I'll go for 10 seconds pre-infusion. You can see in the mirror. Still low. We're aiming for 40. There we go. 40.9. Good enough. I made my meal. I'll be making. I'm mixing regular milk. Just a little bit of oat milk. Go to 60. Let me frost my milk now. Super strong. go. You see the oat milk. Give it up to the brim. There you go. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the Chinese New Year. Let me give it a sip.